Hi, welcome to NCERT CBSE Class 6 History Chapter 5, What Books and Burials Tell Us. And in this video, we will learn every point in the section Let's Recall. This comprises 6 questions. Question 1. Slaves were used for dash. The options are hard work, unwanted work, honest work, whatever work their owners wanted. Your time to choose. And the answer is whatever work their owners wanted. So, slaves were used for whatever work their owners wanted. Question 2. Megaliths are found in dash. The options are the Deccan, South India, the Northeast, Kashmir, all of these. Your time to choose. And the answer is all of these. So, megaliths are found in the Deccan, South India, the Northeast and Kashmir. Next question. Stone circles or boulders on the surface were used as dash. The options are reminders of the person buried, prayer posts for the person buried, signposts to find the burial site, all of these. Your time to choose. And the answer is signposts to find the burial site. So, stone circles or boulders on the surface were used as signposts to find the burial site. Next question. Portholes were used for dash. The options are the soul to leave the grave, seeing the grave and body, communicating with bodies in the grave, bringing the body of those who died later into the grave. Your time to choose. And the answer is bringing the body of those who died later into the grave. So, portholes were used for bringing the body of those who died later into the grave. Question 5. People at Inamgaon ate dash. The options are grains, fruit, animals, birds and fish, all of these. Your time to choose. And the answer is all of these. So, people at Inamgaon ate grains, fruit, animals, birds and fish. Next question, last question. Match the columns. So you have Sukta, chariots, Yajna, Dasa and megalith in column 1. And you have stone boulder, sacrifice, well said, used in battles and slave in column 2. Your time to match. And the answer is Sukta matches with well said. Chariots matches with used in battles. Yajna matches with sacrifice. Dasa matches with slave. Megalith matches with stone boulder. Okay, so in this video we learned everything in the section Let's Recall. In the next video we will learn chapter 6, Kingdoms, Kings and an Early Republic. And in that, the first section, how some men became rulers. I'll see you there.